Time check. 1:34 AM. Jackpot. Let's check this. Basa. Basang dumpster. Ano ng box? Basa ang dumpster. Puro box. Let's see here. Oh, may laman. May laman yung dumpster. Ayun, oh. Enggak, Sam. Dito may laman siya. Taran. Ayan, oh. Ayan. May tsinelas. Ayan pa sa ilalim. Ano to? Wala. Halugugin natin. Wala nang laman. Ano to? Basa na. Toys ata ito. Napakta na siya. Yun, oh. Napakta na siya. Oh. Daming kalaban. Ayan. Nasa ilalim siya. It's too much box. Everything is on the bottom. It's a lot of box. It's on the bottom there. All the way. But I don't know how to get this. Oh, it's on the bottom. Look. Oh my God. It's on the bottom. Oh, shook. This one look like some basura. Yeah, basura. It's right here. Look. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Oh. Oh. It's on the bottom. Uy. Mga pambata. Mga dampi. Okay, go ahead. Ayan, oh. Nasa ilalim. Natakpan na siya. Ilabas ko kaya muna yung mga box na yan. Saan ko man to ilipat? Dami, oh. Ilabas ko muna ang box para makuha ko siya. There's a lot on the bottom, baby. Look at this. Wow. Nasa ilalim siya. Yeah, but this muffin is too much sira na. It's been couple days. You need help me to remove some box. You can open that one there. Then remove some box. Put the other dumpster. Now remove me some box there. Nasa ilalim siya. look, may nakabox. What is this? Something in box. Wow. I don't know what's that. Get it. Get it na bet. Nasa ilalim eh. Ayun o. Wow. OMG. Wow. Oh wow. It's a lot of toys. Oh my god, be. Keep going, be. It's still a lot. Oh. I put that one there. My back is hurt. It's a lot of right here. It's a lot of toys. Oh, look. Ah, wow. Be. It's a lot of toys, be. Oh my god. You want me to get in?
Yeah. You a bit better on your back.
Okay. It's a lot over here. See? But see, it's still more here. Oh, see, that's why I want you to remove this one box. It's still more right here. That'll be fine. Just leave it there. Okay. Nasa ilalim kasi siya. Kaya ako'y nahihirapan. Ang dami. Everything on the bottom. Okay. I don't know what is this. Alisin natin mamaya. Oh, wow! 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 Oh, it's a lot of crayon. Wow! Tignan niyo yan, oh. Oh! Uy, ito pa. Oh my goodness. Tiba-tiba tayo. Uy! Ang dami. Wow, babe. Oh my god. This is it. Jackpot. Ang dami, oh. Tignan nyo, ang daming dal. Babe, ang dami. It's too much. Oh my god. All the way to the bottom. You can dump this one, babe. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah. Napagod na tayo. Tinakpan kasi nila. Akala nyo hindi ko makukuha, ha? Wow. Dami. Dadamputin ko lang siya. Sa bahay na natin yan halugugin. It's a lot of pin. Oh my God. Ang dami oh. What is this? Basura. Look at that. Wow. Oh, see?
Yeah, I know, but we don't need all that crap, babe.
I need the toys.
Not really good.
I need the toys,
It's
be.
not really selling.
I need the toys, be.
Toys,
Yeah.
toys. And get them more books.
Okay.
Yeah, too much books.
Huh?
But that's right.
Ano, be? Daming books, oh. Pero huwag na namin yung kunin.
Look at this. It's paint. It's like this. Give me those muffins.
Muffin is too much wet.
Give me this. They're wrapped in plastic.
Okay. I'm looking the baby. Ido. Look. Okay, hold on.
That mix, you know?
Okay.
One more round.
One more round, one more round. Dito naman tayo banda sa gitna. There's a lot of sneaker. She need the stickers. Ganda nito oh. Pin. Oh, water gun. Right here. What is this? Huh? more. That is for badminton. I see one more right here. Here we go, what's this? Okay, that's it. Oh. Yeah. Init. Let's go. Balik natin yung basura. Oy, mga ka-subscribers! May nahanap na naman ako. Anong nahanap ko? Remodeling sila. Mukhang late na tayo. Siguro nakalipas ng ilang araw. Nagtatapon-tapon sila. But, start tonight! Ayan! Meron pa dito. Meron pa yan. Oh! Oh! Mga toys. Pang parcel yan, mga ka-subscribers. So, ngayong gabi, bukas, sa susunod, gabi-gabi, pupuntahan natin, ha? So, eto mga ka-subscribers, ito yung ating mga nahalungkay. Hindi ko na po ilatag, ha? Kasi nilagay ko lang yan dyan sa box. Ayan. Ito pa. And this one. Tapos ito nga, oh, may nakabag. Ito na lang yung ano, i-holing natin. Kasi konti lang. So, halos po siya ay mga laruan. Maliliit na toys. So, napakaliliit po na items. Kaya po, hindi ko na siya halughugin pa. Nakalagay na siya dyan. Ito pa. Dahil sobra pong liliit niya. Yung po bang tipong ano, nakakapagod. So, ganyan yung mga anik-anik. Assorted. Pero halos mga laruan. Yes. So, mag-abang na lang po kayo dahil ako po ay magbabalot-balot naman ng parcel ngayon. Magbabalot-balot tayo ng mga toys. At syempre, unang harbat pa lang ito. Marami pang mga susunod. Sana hindi pa sila tapos. Dahil na late na naman tayo. Bakit ba naman kasi walang marites dito sa Jumerica? So, hindi tuloy ako updated. Lagi akong late sa balita. So, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. So, don't forget to like and share. And good vibes comment. Mobets Lots Vlog. Bye! Have a good day.